Welcome to Nandi AI Guardian Agent Tool Demo, one platform for your trustworthy AI governance. Nandi AI Guardian is an end-to-end AI governance platform built for compliance with EU AI Act, GDPR, and International AI Governance Framework. Companies using Nandi reduced time to compliance by 40%. It helps organizations to register, assess, monitor, and govern AI system from initial risk classification through the post-market surveillance. End-to-end lifecycle governance, from use case intake to retirement with policy gates, where most competitors only cover post-deployment. Let's get into the demo. This is the login screen, and you can see here you can request a demo and the pricing details, help, and user guide. You can get the details from the login screen itself. I'm logging here as an admin screen. So once it is logged in, you can see in the left all the menus here. All the menus are available here, and then the important one is the dashboard, which we can start from here. Dashboard will give all the important one-stop view of governance. You can see here the total use cases, the high-risk registered models, and even the open incidents. And Nandi is based on the trustworthy AI, which is quantified by 5 different parts: ethical, responsible, transparent, governed, and explainable. Here is the trustworthy AI framework. It contains, as I mentioned, there are 5 parts: ethical, responsible, transparent, governed, and explainable. You can view the trustworthy AI index for the department, which is 26. It's weak, so it will give you where you need to improve and how. There are the actions which you need to take. You can see these actions in the upcoming tab. The other things which I have to highlight here is the governance part, where you can see all the ethical review board and response playbook and regulatory things, and the certifications, public transparencies, and carbon footprints. Let's look into the Govern AI. So in Govern AI, you can see the risk wizard. There are multiple questions which you have to answer with respect to EU AI Act and GDPR and ISO 42001. And it will take you to the use cases where, once the questionnaire is done, like how the risk is with respect to that use case of the project. And also, it will say, in terms of EU AI Act, where the risk is and which model we are going to use. And you can also create the policies. You can create a new policies and deadline timelines and accountable metrics where you know which role is having the responsibility, and accountable and consulted and inform. And also, you can know the maturity scoreboard. And the very important one is EU AI Act Compliance Tracker. It will help you to see where your risks are with correlation to that use case. The very important feature is connected tools. You can connect with your existing tool. You just upload the data here manually or automatical scheduler. It will connect with the corresponding tools, and you can import the details. Connected tools are Jira, GitHub, and Linear and MLflow, Hugging Face, ServiceNow, Bamboo HR, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. We are able to pull the data from them without any hassle. It works like plugin. One other important feature is AI-talization, which is AI transformation. You can connect your use case or project directly with your business objective, and it will give you the "Are we really connected with our business goals?" That's a very important one. And you can see here the users and then role feature access with respect to the row user. You can give access to the tool. You can view here the documentation and then reports. The reports, you can have the board reports and then reports, and you can export the report for your audit trail. The last one, which is the reference, you can view the menu help and user guide, regulation reference, EU AI Act, and the connector reference. You can browse all the information here. And let me quickly go through the help and user guide. You can see here what it is the AI Guardian will do. And then the very important one is the browse by roles. So each role, like admin role, so what kind of feature it will have access and what they will do. Complaints officer and DPO, data protection officer, risk manager and an auditor, and then general staff users. So what you have, And also, you can create your own the user role, like data science people or project manager. You can create the roles and you can assign. Depends on your company, the structure. Thank you. If you need more details, you can ask for full demo.